that I'm on my way to Stockton. I have my backpack with me. Your girl is in Stockton. Lot of them. Right. A lot of people have been commenting and asking questions. Why the resignation? You are going. Why are you leaving healthcare? You people will be coming down. Hello everybody, hello guys, and welcome back to yet another vlog. It is a Sunday afternoon and I'm making my way to Stockton. See, this NIN thing, my passport is about to expire and I have to renew my passport, but before I do that I need to get an NIN number. I have to go and register for NIN, Nigerian NIN, and that's where I'm going now. I'm on my way to Stockton. I have my backpack with me and I'm heading there right now. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'm waiting for my bus now and it should be here any moment. So you guys like, share, subscribe, do all of that good stuff, and let's get on with today's video. Somebody's buying polo. Somebody's buying polo. I need you not today. I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels. Your girl is in Stockton. Alright, so I'm making my way to the venue now. This taxi cab, the bus driver, then I'm going to stress my life. Anyways, guys, talk to you when I get there. Stockton is fine, sure. It's fine, it's quiet, it's very much like Darlington, but it feels like a little quiet. Feels quiet. I like it. Alright guys, I'll let you know when I get there. Today's video is highly sponsored by Karativa. Alright, so this company, Karativa, they are a jewelry company. They have amazing collection of jewelry and neck pieces. They also specialize in music boxes. Alright, so we're just going to be opening this box together and we're going to be revealing all the amazing products that come with it. So I selected 2 products from the list that was sent to me. Show my lover, she get $1. Alright, so this is what comes in the box. Obviously there's a note here, but I'm not going to bore you with all the details. It just talks about how to store and care for your ring. You also get a pouch for your necklace. My necklace is inside here, and also the ring box, just in case you're going to give this to someone else. It also comes with a carrier bag that you can use to deliver. It is breathtaking. Can you see these builds? The name for this ring, the one that I selected, this particular one that I have on, will be on your screen as well as in the description box. So I selected this gold one that just has my brand name on it. Just has my brand name and my earth flower on it. Just look at the 2 together. So special shout out to Karativa for sponsoring today's video. I mean, these pieces are ageless. They are so dainty, so affordable, elegant, Thank you so much to Karativa for sponsoring today's video. The link to their website will be in the description box, as well as my promo code, which is simply Omotola, and that qualifies you for 15% discount on all their products. Click on the link in the description box, order that special something for yourself, for your loved ones. Thank you so much. I really love my pieces. Alright guys, let's get on with the rest of today's video.
A few moments later.
You guys, this trip is a bust. As in, okay, so annoying. The NI people said that they are full, so we should come back next week. None of them at the old not loading by as go to waste. I don't know why we cannot get ourselves, honestly. It's so frustrating, so annoying. And we have to go through all this stress, and then they not tell you come back next week. Okay? Hey guys, I have to get back now, but I'm just trying to get myself and enjoy the view. Let me show you what I can see here. This is the town center. And people are just chilling, enjoying the waterfall. Hey guys. Okay, shall go back to Darlington. Oh no, love you. See you guys when I'm ready to get back. I'm just trying to chill. Close, but at least it's still worth exploring. Town center is beautiful, you guys. It's beautiful, it's airy, it's spacious. As we not see NIN do now, we must still explore. We must explore. Okay, let me sit here. It's nice and quiet here. We'll just chill here for a couple of minutes till it's time to go. How are you guys doing? This is one of those times when I wish I can actually do a live. But yes, that is not my boss. It's very funny because this same Stockton on Tees is the same place. I actually considered moving here before Darlington. In fact, this was like number 2 consideration when we're going to be moving to the UK. Considered moving here, but then I was like, this place. Because saying you know, like I didn't feel like there was like the African community here, and it was just. I just felt like, no, we can't stay here. Maybe we should just go somewhere else. Although this place was really beautiful, like from the videos and the clips that I saw of it on YouTube. And I'm like, can we really survive here? But then, I don't know, you guys. It's like this place is really beautiful. Like it's really, really beautiful. It's clean, it's open, it's airy, it's not too crowded, it's not congested like I'm sure Middlesbrough is. But anyways, you guys, a lot of people have been commenting and asking questions. Why the resignation? You are going. Why are you leaving healthcare? You people will be coming down. You guys want me to be spilling the tea before? Just walk Joe. There's one British Heart Foundation here. And you see, thrifting in this country. If you don't know your goal, hold your pulse. You'll be spend money. He spend, could spend, and it's money that you don't even plan for. And I'm one of those people that I used to struggle with ojukokoro. It is red. I can't even show you guys what I saw. But anyways, you guys, let's not sit down here for too long. Let's explore this country. I have like 1 hour. Let's explore Stockton, you guys. I have 1 hour before my boss gets here. Let's enter town small. I hope this doesn't repeat itself again. Remember the last time I was going out via public transport, that I was carried away with vlogging, and then I forgot to get on my connecting bus. I hope that is not what happens today. But anyways, guys, where's my tripod safe? Isn't God good? I opened my bag to bring out my tripod, and I found biscuits. That I'm just coming back from church and I did not even wait to eat. I was rushing. Let me come and do NIN. Let me come and register for NIN. I got there. I want to eat 11. See pigeons. They are everywhere in Darlington, so please, let's be snacking and explore this country. This Stockton. Why do I keep calling it country? Let's explore Stockton, you guys. This is our botched trip that is about to turn into it's about to turn into another thing. I'm seeing one hall over here, you guys. Let's go. We have alleys like this also in Darlington. Oh my god, this place is beautiful. Can you guys see? I hope my camera is doing this thing. This place justice. This place is beautiful. And there are lights up there. I better get my power bank because it looks like my battery is about to die. Good thing I brought my power bank along. Alright guys, hold on. Alright, so power bank is plugged in. I hope I don't stray too far from the path. Let me show you guys what I can see. Well, this way connects us back to the town center. Let's head back to the town center. That's 4 o'clock. The time is 4 o'clock, guys. I'm alright.
What to see in person?
Thank you.
You don't look different at all.
Do you mind if I show your face though?
Oh my
I am
God.
vlogging.
Somebody will find me. I'm hiding from them. I hope I'm not there.
It's alright. No. You're not.
Bless.
It's just me.
Let me let you work.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Where are you headed?
I'm going home. I'm driving. I'm come down there. So
Alright.
I'm walking down to my.
Alright.
Nice to see you.
All the best. Thank you. Bye. Oh my god, I just had a surreal moment just now. Just ran into a subscriber. Oh, guys are making me feel emotional. She said I don't even look different in person. What's that supposed to mean? Oh, Father Lord, where is the boss? Once beaten, a million times shy. You see the way I've checked. So please, so help me look at it. Where is it? So this is stand K. And the bus leaves a 14:39. This is 14:08. So let's just stay here. No more exploration because I'm on Togo and I'm on Togo Pelu Science. So no more exploration. This is the bus. Where is it going to? I don't understand. This is stand K. Okay. This is stand K. I don't understand. Are there 2 buses to 6? There might be. You guys, what's happening? I'm just going to wait here. Maybe to be back because the time is not yet. We still have like 30 more minutes. So anyway. Oh, it's so nice to run into a subscriber. I feel like I've touched somebody. I don't know. I'm very emotional. I felt very emotional when I saw her. And she was really sweet with the way she introduced herself. It was a pity I wasn't even recording when I first saw her. I sharply turned on the camera. I said no, if I tell people they will not believe me. Let me capture this thing on camera. Yes. Alright guys, so we're waiting for the bus. So it's the bus that's waiting, it's wasting our time. I didn't even eat the biscuit again. I put it back in my bag. But you guys, by the way, For the first time since I got to this country, someone begged me for money. As in, someone walked up to me and asked me for money. Please, do I look like I'm giving out free money? Even asked for £2, as in, was very, very specific. At first asked me if I went to church today. Please, they used to write it on somebody's forehead if they went to church or not. He asked me if I went to church, and then said he also went to church, but then he needs money and he's staying at his shelter. £2 to left mommy. I gave him the money.
I need you right away. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody's in this bed. Somebody feels like no one cares. Somebody feels like no one cares.
People of God, that's how I come and do excursion for free to Stockton, because some unscrupulous elements, they refused to do NI till the time that they said that they were going to do. I don't know. You just disrupt people's plans just like that. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys had fun going out with us. All right, guys, so we are at home now. That's how we just went to go and do excursion. Lofu, I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. I hope you enjoyed going out with me and exploring Stockton together. Thank you so much. If you're that subscriber that I ran into in Stockton, please shout out in the comment section. Hi, just say hi. Wave to me in the comment section. Thank you so much for speaking up and coming to say hello. You've made my day. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe, do all of that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys. Mwah.